Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Wednesday, July 7th. Here's the weather impact summary. We're going to have unseasonably hot conditions today with near record highs, and we do have some heat advisories and warnings out for most of the area. Many low elevations will reach triple digits today. We'll have breezy conditions in the central mountains with red flag warnings in effect this afternoon and early evening. Scattered thunderstorms are also possible to the north. We're going to have breezy conditions in the central mountains, southern highlands, Snake River Plain on Thursday, and we have fire weather watches in effect for the dry conditions and gusty winds. And we're going to have a return to unseasonably hot conditions over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday with record highs. And again, heat advisories possible over the weekend with hotter weather returning. And looking at the satellite imagery, you can see we do have some cloud cover across the central part of the state. And with some of that moisture in place, that's where we're expecting most of the thunderstorm activity today, generally ranging from the Sun Valley area northeast through Lemhi County. Expect much less activity further south, and then generally clear skies as you head west into the Pacific. Here are some of the hazards we have out today. Again, extremely hot conditions. We have excessive heat warning, mainly in the Magic Valley, some of the Snake River Plain. Heat advisories across the remainder of the Snake Plain, the southern highlands, and the red flag warnings again from the Sun Valley region northeast through the Stanley Challis area into Lemhi County. So again, very hot and dry conditions today, and some isolated to scattered thunderstorms, mainly in the central mountains. So again, we have a variety of highlights out today. Here are the forecast high temperatures today. You can see triple digits forecast across much of the Snake River Plain, Pocatello, through some of the INL sites west through the Minidoka-Burley area onto Twin Falls. Mid to upper 90s elsewhere in lower elevations, again close to 100 from Challis through Salmon in the valleys in the central mountains. So again, extremely hot today. Thursday, it's going to remain hot, although maybe a few degrees cooling from today. So again, not as excessive heat conditions expected on Thursday. Here are the forecast wind gusts today. You can see many 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts across the central mountains, some 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts across northern parts of the Snake River Plain as well. But generally, most of the wind gusts under 30 miles an hour across the Snake River Plain. As we get into Thursday, again, 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts widespread. Again, some areas may see red flag conditions on Thursday afternoon and early evening. Again, mainly portions of the Snake River Plain is where we're going to see the 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts on Thursday. And here's some of the minimum humidity forecast for today. Again, widespread 15% or below, pretty much from the central mountains south to the Snake River Plain and southern highlands. Maybe a little bit higher humidities along the eastern border in the 15 to 25% range. Thursday, expect drier conditions. You can see some below 10% minimum humidity readings across some of the lower valleys. And again, much more widespread below 15% tomorrow. And we are expecting some cooling on Friday, closer to normal, but still above normal. High temperatures, mid-80s in the mountains to lower 90s in the valleys. And then by Sunday, later in the week, and we're going to see some return of close to triple-digit temperature readings in the lower elevations on Sunday. So again, a brief cool down Friday, then we're going to start to warm up again through the weekend. And looking at the 8 to 14 day outlook, first look towards the latter part of July, 14th through the 20th. And again, very hot conditions are expected, a much better chance of above normal temperatures over eastern Idaho, and also a very good chance of below normal precipitation. So again, this hot and dry weather, which we've been experiencing all summer, appears to be continuing through this week, and right now the extended has it continuing all the way through July 20th. So again, going through the weather impacts, very hot today, near record highs. Several heat advisories and warnings have been issued. It's going to be breezy in the central mountains, and a red flag warning is in effect. And you also have scattered thunderstorms possible in the central mountains. It's going to be breezy in the central mountains, southern highlands, Snake Plain on Thursday. Right now we have a fire weather watch in effect, and we'll have to see if those will be upgraded to warnings this afternoon or tonight. We're going to see a resumption of unseasonably hot conditions Saturday and Sunday, with again record highs possible, with possible heat advisories and warnings once again. That will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.